Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tip, I'll show you the fastest way to copy a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Let's jump in. The usual way. Here I've got a sheet with fictional students and their test scores. Let's say I want to make a copy, maybe to prepare for the next test by clearing the old scores. Now, the way most people do this is go down to the Sheet tab at the bottom. Right-click on it. Choose Move or Copy. Check the box that says Create a Copy, then pick where you want it, at the beginning or end of your sheet tabs. Click OK. That works, but it takes several steps. A faster way. Here's a much quicker method. Hold Control on your keyboard. Click and hold the sheet tab you want to copy. Drag it to the right. Notice the small plus sign that appears with your mouse pointer. That's Excel telling you it will create a copy when you let go. Release the mouse button, and boom. The copy is created at the end of your sheet tabs. Copying left or right. You can also drag a sheet to the left, as long as there's room on that side. Just hold Control, click and hold the sheet tab, and drag it left. When you see the plus sign, release, and the copy is made. This method is much quicker, and in my opinion, far better than right-clicking and digging through menus. You can move and copy sheets exactly where you need them with just one simple drag. And that's it, the fastest way to copy worksheets in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post another video.